welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar.
Hola! Welcome back to my channel, y'all. DIY with Anais. I am so glad that you're back with me today. Today we're going in with a nice Easter video and Easter themed nails. And I'm using products from Jelly and Nails that I purchased. And these are super cute. It's like a mix of 3D flowers, 3D butterflies, 3D pearls. It was really cute. Then this other kit that I got from Jelly Nails as well is basically everything Easter related. There's cute little Easter bunnies of all sorts of colors. There's holographic white ones, and they're all like different types of shape of a bunny, which is really cute too. Then we have like these actual bunny faces, which is really adorable. And like I said, just these really colorful bunnies of all sorts of different colors depending on the theme that you want to do your nails with. So I do have a code, Anais 10%. Make sure you use that when you are shopping with her. Her stuff is really cute and it's nice and affordable. And y'all, you know how I love to support small businesses. So go ahead and check that out. Another thing that came with it are these cute little bunny ears, the pearls, flat back pearls, which is always useful for any nail look. And then I also got some little gold pearls, caviar beads type thing. So it's really cute. You can really use it for a lot of different looks. I mean, not necessarily like, you know, Easter themed, but I thought it was very convenient and very versatile because you can use it with different things. So make sure you go check that out. I know Easter is gone and past at this point, but you know, you can definitely use it for other things, not only just like Easter related things. So alright, so I prepped my Ready Gonna hand using my trusty 3-in-1 for nail glue. And then I use like a different base coat. And then I'm going ahead and using Makartt Green Polygel Kit. I figured I only used this kit once, so I might as well use it again and show y'all that you can do so many different things with one kit. I feel like sometimes you just use one kit and then you like toss it and forget about it. So I think it's better to maybe start using the same kit over and over again to show y'all that you can do many different looks with one specific kit. Now with this kit I only used Makartt stuff, so I mean with this look I only used Makartt stuff, so I easily show you that it's doable, it's easy to use, and the colors are beautiful. Now this one is the darkest. I intended to use like kind of like an ombre look, so I'm doing a French inspired look. So I am doing the darkest green on my pinky as my base for my French nail, and then what I'm doing is I'm actually using the negative space, the clear space that I have. I'm putting a nice thin layer of clear that also comes with the kit, and I'm just putting in my decoration. So I put in a couple of bunnies, I put in a 3D bunny, and I just I want to encapsulate it. That's my intention when I am finished with this nail. Basically just nice thin layer on the bottom, put my gems or my embellishments, which are these cute little bunnies and the 3D bunny, and I also end up using like some glitter, which just like fills up my negative space. I didn't want like any clear kind of dangling around, so I ended up doing that, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. lighter green. Like I said, I'm doing kind of like an ombre with these nails, and it came out perfect because, you know, this green kit comes in with dark greens all the way to light greens, so I might as well, that was my intention, and I nailed it. So the ring finger, I'm using the lighter green, and like I said, I'm just doing like a French, kind of like a really pretty deep smile line with this green, and then I am just flash curing that really quickly. I accidentally put some glitter in there. I don't even know how that happened, but I take it out after. Then for this nail in specific, I just go ahead and use a bunch of little holographic bunnies. I thought I was going to end up using like the colorful bunnies, but as I was doing it, y'all know that I love to wing these looks. As I was doing it, I just leaned towards more of the holographic bunnies, and then I ended up putting my empty space with glitter and filling that up. That way I don't see any like clear space lingering around. After I flash cure that, I'm going in with clear, and I am just putting like a nice thin layer of clear because I want to just put like some embellishments. So when you are encapsulating, you definitely want to put a nice thin layer underneath and not a thick layer underneath, because you want to give space for whatever you're trying to encapsulate to lay there in a way that it's not too thick, because once you start filing, you want your nail to be completely even, and if you're putting a thick layer underneath and not a thin layer underneath, then that can definitely mess up what you're trying to accomplish, especially when you are encapsulating. So keep that in mind when you are encapsulating or just trying to do some like nice design underneath a clear. After I went ahead and flash cured that, now I'm going in with the lighter green, and I am continuing to do my French. And this one, I pretty much just ended up doing like caviar beads, which I thought came out super, super cute. I do my deep smile line, flash cure that, then I put my clear, and then I start just putting a bunch of caviar beads, and it came out really, really cute. For my index finger, I go ahead with the same green that I used for my pinky, and I am just completely putting that color on that entire nail. I wanted this finger to kind of just be like where I can put my 3D flowers, my 3D butterflies, and really just like embellish this nail completely. That way there's nothing really kind of contradicting what I'm trying to embellish. So I rather just have done a simple plain color compared to like two different colors or a two-tone color. I just didn't want to take anything away from what I was trying to accomplish with my 3D flowers. So I did that, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. I actually ended up curing my entire hand for 60 seconds because I did flashes in between, and I wanted to make sure that everything was cured properly. Now, for encapsulating, y'all know I am a big believer you can literally encapsulate with whatever you want. You can encapsulate with polygel if you're using polygel. You can encapsulate with acrylic. You can encapsulate with builder gel. Now, this time around, I just felt like it was necessary, or I guess easier, to encapsulate with builder gel. I can maneuver it a little quicker compared to polygel. Even if I were to use like an acrygel, it'd still kind of be annoying. So I just figured I'm gonna use builder gel, and IBD is kind of runny, so it's easy to really use. So I ended up just using that, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. And basically the encapsulation is just so when you file, you don't mess up what the work that you did underneath. So it's really important to encapsulate, especially if you have like 3D things going on under your nail. Once I cured that for 60 seconds, I am just showing y'all how I like to file my nails when it comes to my Ready Gone hands. Y'all know these YouTubers making it look super easy by literally filing inside, like while the nail is inside the Ready Gone hand, and I'm just like, how do you do that? But anyhow, I take the nail out of the socket, I file, and then I use my drill to just like file anything extra that I couldn't get with my hand file. Sorry that I'm out of the frame, but y'all get the gist of how I do it. This is not, a professional way to do it. I'm not in any ways saying that this is the best way to do it. I am just saying that is what works for me. Now for the embellishments, I'm going in with jelly nails. I guess this is a jelly nail themed nail video. So y'all know I love this gem adhesive glue. This gem adhesive glue is supposed to last you 4 to 6 weeks. It's very thick, very easy to use. And when I try to pull the gems off just to like test it, it would not come off. So that's how you know it's a very good quality, and it's perfect for 3D things and also perfect for gems. I've used this gem adhesive glue specifically for gems, and it worked out perfectly fine. So I'm using just little dollops of it, and then putting my my flowers and my butterflies in, and then I cured that really quick, and then I put a top coat around the nail. Now I'm just completely top coating everything, and then basically just curing for 60 seconds. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I went ahead and did put little cute beads in the middle of the flowers, so that made it just like come to life. But thank y'all so much for watching. This is the final look. It's very easy, very simple, and I love that it kind of mixes in with the Easter/spring theme, because y'all know spring is around the corner, y'all. So thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you stayed this long. Props to y'all, and thank you for the support. If you're not a part of the DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all of my future videos. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what you want to see in the future, because I got tons of ideas, but I need your feedback to help me out. So thank y'all again, and nos vemos en la próxima.